Here we represent the completion animation like this. First we run this project, this type of animation. How we can do this? For this I use this board file, this ConfettiView-NSHipster. You need to use this board, install this board in project, and I create a one UI view like this, and here is this coding that for this code is responsible for animation. Here I use one image and two shape. This is circle and triangle. Okay, and this image I use in this asset folder. Okay, and complete in this view I add in view controller like this. Okay, whenever I open this run this project, then this code should be responsible for the animation. So only this few line of code you need to add for this type of animation. Okay, so I need to change, like for example I need to add one image here, and I need to change color to red. Let's see what happened. Okay, reds, you can see that red stars are now you can show. So I no need to this circle, so I simply comment it, and I need brown star, brown. So in this animation brown star are added. See, you can see brown stars are added. Okay, so if you want this code, then please subscribe my channel and comment in this video. I will provide you full code. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe.